Hello everyone, welcome to 5-Minute Ideas. Now I want to talk about waxing. Please carefully listen this 6 things before waxing your face at home. Of all the unwanted hair, facial hair remains at the top. Facial hair can be a real damper on our dreams to have the flawless look. And so, we explore all the methods we can to get rid of it. If you have gone through your journey of facial hair, you probably know waxing is the most convenient way of getting rid of. With the current situation, visiting a parlor to get rid of the unwanted facial hair seems like a far-stretched possibility. Since waxing is such a lucrative solution to your problem, you might be tempted to do it at home. Hold on. Before you finally take the big leap, wax that peach fuzz off at home, here's all that you need to know for a successful experience and no surprises. 1. The process demands patience. Unlike waxing other parts of your body, you cannot wax large areas at a time. To do a perfect job and get the closest wax, you need to work in small patches, especially now that you are waxing yourself. So, if you think that it would be done in a few moments, think again. You require patience and skill to do facial wax at home. Apply the wax to a smaller area in the direction of the hair growth, and after a few seconds pull it off in the opposite direction. Repeat the process until you have removed all of your facial hair. 2. Mind the temperature of the wax. Peeled skin caused by very hot wax is one of the major horrors of facial waxing. As you are dealing with your face, you need to be extra cautious. Do not overheat your wax. The skin on your face is very thin and sensitive. Too hot wax will burn the skin and peel it off, leaving a nasty scar that you are going to regret. 3. It is not entirely painless. If you expect waxing the face to be a smooth and painless process, you have other thing coming. As the skin on your face is quite soft and your facial hair very thin and the process removes a ton of hair at once, it is going to pain. The pain won't be as much as while waxing your legs, but you better be prepared. Keep an ice cube or aloe vera gel in handy to get immediate relief from the pain. 4. Expect redness of the skin. Waxing facial hair is not very different from threading the face. The skin on your face is thinner and most sensitive than the skin on your body, and post-waxing you can expect some redness and irritation in the skin. It is nothing to worry about. Just like you experience redness of the skin after threading, you will experience it after waxing. It should settle down in a few hours and you can rub some ice to help the healing process. 5. No hot water face washes afterwards. Waxing the face is not very different from waxing your whole body, you just need to be extra cautious. As such, the precautions you take post-arms or legs waxing are to be taken after facial waxing as well. That means you do not wash your face with hot or lukewarm water for a few hours after waxing. Use cold water to wash your face and get rid of the stickiness. 6. Do not exfoliate the skin for the next hours. Exfoliating your face is an important part of your skincare routine that ensures smooth and clean skin. Exfoliation is also recommended pre-waxing to ensure a thorough and smooth process. Post-waxing, however, exfoliation is harmful to the skin. The granules present in the scrubs can irritate your already sensitive skin from waxing, and it takes longer for your skin to heal. It is advised not to exfoliate the skin until after 48 hours post-facial waxing. Thanks for watching this video. For more informative videos, please subscribe 5-Minute Ideas YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.